What's going on today, guys? This is Nero coming to you. Put this stove in probably 4 years ago. This is a model 6048. Beast. I don't know if you all can see inside that devil, but man, let me give you a little close up of that unit right there. Come on. Look at that. Yeah, it'll hold a lot. This is heating roughly about 8,000 square feet. It is not running due to they're out of wood, but usually it's going this time. As you can tell, it's pretty cold out. But I wanted to do another video. I'm gonna start doing videos of different central boilers and different outdoor furnaces where I live at. Like this is right by my house, but my neighbor in front of me's got one. The neighbor to the left of me, he has one. I'm gonna start doing videos on different ones and telling the pros and the cons. And these old classics like this, I can't really find nothing. Honestly, I've never seen nothing wrong out of them, and I know a bunch of people that has them, and they just work. I mean, they're just good. But I'll show you the building that it's heating. This one does only have one pump to the side, on the side of it. I'll show it. You can heat multiple buildings with this thing. And this one did come from Kelly's Southern Ohio Classics. Like I've said in my other two videos, that guy's very, very good, professional. Guys, I know it's not very good quality, but here's like the back of the building. I mean, it's huge. That's where the line's going into the building at right there. Kind of hard to go underneath that. This building is like, I'm telling you, it's old. Here's another part. What it's heating, guys, is a church. Here's the back of it. Them old classics, they're good for places that's not very insulated. And as you can tell the age of this building, I mean, yeah, it's old. That's all I've got for you today, guys. I'll be making more. Don't forget to hit the like button